Hey everyone, it's Old Family Remedies. Welcome back to our channel where we share the best tips and tricks for staying healthy using natural methods. If you're feeling that familiar tickle in your throat or a little stuffy in the nose, you're not alone. You know what time it is. Cold season is here, the weather is changing, and it's that time of year when colds and sniffles start making the rounds. Before you reach for those over-the-counter meds, hold on. I'm sharing 8 powerful natural remedies to help you kick that cold to the curb fast. These remedies have been tried and tested over generations. And the best part, these remedies are easy to incorporate into your daily routine. You don't need any fancy ingredients or complicated steps. Stay tuned till the end because I'm going to share my go-to DIY cold-fighting drink recipe that's packed with immune-boosting ingredients. This drink is not only effective, but also delicious. You definitely don't want to miss that. Trust me, it's a game changer, and while you're at it, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future health tips. We've got a lot of great content coming your way. First things first, we need to talk about hydration. Staying hydrated is like giving your body its own personal army to fight off those cold viruses. When you're sick, your body loses fluids faster, especially with a fever or congestion. Drinking plenty of fluids helps to replenish those lost fluids and keeps everything running smoothly. Plus, staying hydrated helps thin out the mucus, making it easier to clear those airways. Good old-fashioned water is always the best choice, but you can switch it up with some herbal teas. Think chamomile for relaxation or peppermint to help with congestion. Coconut water is another great option, packed with electrolytes to further boost your hydration levels. Let's take a closer look at the dynamic duo for fighting colds, ginger and honey. Ginger has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, and for good reason. It contains compounds called gingerols and shogols that have potent anti-inflammatory effects. And then we have honey, nature's liquid gold. Honey has soothing properties that can calm a cough and coat the throat. Making ginger honey tea is super easy. Just grate a small piece of fresh ginger and let it steep in hot water for about 10 minutes. Then add a spoonful of raw honey once the tea has cooled down a bit. Trust me, this soothing drink will be your new best friend when you're feeling under the weather. You've probably heard it a million times. Vitamin C is essential for a strong immune system. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. When you're fighting a cold, your body needs even more vitamin C to support its immune function and help you recover faster. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, lemons and limes are all excellent sources of vitamin C. Other great sources include bell peppers, strawberries, broccoli and kale. Garlic is like the superhero of the kitchen. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has potent antiviral and antibacterial properties. Allicin is released when garlic is crushed or chopped, so make sure to give it a good smash before adding it to your meals. Here's a pro tip. After crushing or chopping garlic, let it sit for about 10 minutes before cooking. You can add garlic to soups, stews, stir-fries, or even roast it whole with vegetables. And hey, if you're feeling brave, you can even try a small clove of raw garlic. So don't be shy with the garlic. It might keep the vampires away, but it will definitely help keep those cold viruses at bay. Feeling congested? Struggling to breathe through your nose? One of the simplest and most effective ways to relieve a stuffy nose is with steam inhalation. It's a natural remedy that has been used for centuries. Steam helps to loosen mucus and clear those nasal passages, making it easier to breathe. The warm, moist air can provide almost instant relief. But we're going to take it up a notch by adding some essential oils to the mix. These oils can enhance the benefits of steam inhalation. When it comes to fighting colds, eucalyptus and peppermint essential oils are your new best friends. They have powerful properties that can help you feel better faster. Eucalyptus oil is known for its decongestant properties, helping to open up those airways and improve breathing. It can also soothe irritated nasal passages. To try steam inhalation, simply fill a bowl with hot water, add a few drops of eucalyptus and/or peppermint oil, and carefully lean over the bowl with a towel draped over your head. This creates a steam tent that traps the vapors. Inhale the steam for 5 to 10 minutes, being careful not to get too close to the hot water. This method can provide relief from congestion and help you breathe easier. Elderberry syrup has become increasingly popular in recent years, and for good reason. Elderberries have been used for centuries for their medicinal properties, particularly for their ability to fight off colds and flu. Elderberries contain compounds called anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants that can help boost the immune system. Studies have shown that elderberry extract can actually shorten the duration of colds and flu symptoms. You can find elderberry syrup at most health food stores or online. Just be sure to follow the dosage instructions on the bottle. I know, when you're sick, the last thing you might want to do is lie in bed all day. But trust me on this one, getting enough rest is crucial for your body to fight off that cold and recover faster. When you're sleeping, your body can focus all its energy on fighting off those invading viruses and bacteria. When you're sleep deprived, your immune system weakens, making you more susceptible to getting sick in the first place. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark and quiet. Remember that sore throat we talked about earlier? Well, gargling with salt water is a simple yet effective way to soothe that scratchy feeling and reduce inflammation. Salt water works by drawing out excess fluid from the tissues in the throat, which can help reduce swelling and pain. To gargle with salt water, simply mix a teaspoon of salt with a cup of warm water until the salt dissolves. Take a small sip of the solution, tilt your head back and gargle for 30 to 60 seconds. Spit out the water and repeat a few times a day as needed. There you have it, 8 natural remedies to help you beat that common cold faster. These remedies are not only effective, but also easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Whether you prefer herbal teas, essential oils, or nutrient-rich foods, there's something for everyone. Remember, taking care of your body is key to staying healthy, especially during cold and flu season. Regular exercise, mindfulness practices, and a balanced diet can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. By staying hydrated, incorporating immune-boosting foods like garlic and vitamin C-rich fruits and veggies, and getting enough rest, you're giving your body the tools it needs to fight off those pesky viruses. Don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep and proper nutrition. Now, I want to hear from you. Your experiences and tips can help others in our community. Which of these natural remedies do you swear by when you're feeling under the weather? Maybe you have a unique remedy that wasn't mentioned in this video. Share your go-to remedies in the comments below. We love hearing from you and learning about different ways to stay healthy. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more natural health tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Your support helps us create more content that can benefit everyone. Stay healthy, everyone. Let's continue to support each other on this journey to better health and well-being.